So yesterday we looked at how you find the integrals of logarithmic functions, and so today we're going to continue on with that. And if you look up here at this one, okay, we have the integral of 2x over x plus 1 quantity squared. This is not a natural logarithmic function, one, because if it was, the degree on the numerator would be exactly 1 less than the degree on the denominator. And even if we FOIL out the denominator, we're still going to end up with a situation in which du isn't over u. So the next option that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let u equal, in this case, the x plus 1. Because if you remember, once upon a time, we always let u equal the quantity to the power. Okay, what's the derivative of x plus 1, or what's du? 1. Okay, so far, we're good. I've got u equals x plus 1. And so the only issue I have now is how do I write 2x? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this equation right here for x. Okay? So in this case, x would equal what?
1 minus u.
How about u minus 1?
Yeah.
Okay? So now what ends up happening is in my integral, I have 2 times u minus 1 over u squared. So once again, I now have 2u minus 2 if you distribute the 2 over u squared. And so this is not a du over u instance as well, because I'm going to have 2u minus 2. That minus 2 is causing problems. So this is what I'm going to do. At one time, I don't know if you remember this, we called this kind of the bunny ears. Okay? And so really what I ended up doing here is dividing each of those terms by u squared. So now let's go ahead and simplify that first term.
Minus.
So what did you get from the first term? 2 over u. Okay? So I end up getting 2 over u minus 2u to the negative 2 power. Okay? So from yesterday, what will 2 over u integrate to be?
It would be du over u.
2 times
u. Negative 4.
ln of x plus c.
ln of the absolute value of u. That was what 2 over u was. Remember, it looks real similar to 2 over x. Okay? Minus, now this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a basic integration problem here. I'm going to go ahead and leave my 2 here. And then remember, for the u, I'm going to add 1 to this exponent. So what is u to the negative 2 if you add 1? U to the negative 1 over negative 1, and then plus c. So you can see I've kind of got a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify that second bit. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the negative and make that a positive. And then I'm going to put the u on the bottom. So the final step will be to go ahead and just sub in what u is. So I end up getting 2 ln of x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 1 plus c, and that is your final answer. Yeah, and you'll have a few of those. I specifically can tell you that number 25, you will do that on, and then I believe number 23.
You have to do it for all of them that have square roots and
Well, did I have you do 1 through 25 odds, and then I had to do 29 through? Okay, it's 25 and 23, I believe, that you'll have to do this on. I don't think you'll have to do it on 21, though. Okay. I think as I was looking through, 23 and 25 were the ones that you needed to do those on. Yes, you want me to do that on 21. 21 is actually an old way that you could have done that. Okay? So, once again, let's review your assignment. 1 through 25, the odd. 29 through 36, all. Probably going to have a quiz tomorrow.
Awesome.
So,
Hopefully the printer works.